What's up, everybody? It's me, Almond Monster, and today we're gonna be doing a gaming video. Don't press the button for. Pretty good. I played this just once before. It was kind of hard because I didn't understand anything, but now we're gonna play. It actually updated. So, okay, next update at phone. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I'm not gonna read all of that. Okay. So current stages. There's 165 stages. Let me tell you. Limited Valentine. Huh? Okay. Let's just start. Okay, here we go. Come on. Okay. Oh, what in the world? Oh yeah, guys, do you like my new avatar?
Wait.
What is the mysterious drink? What? I don't have it though. Yeah, I don't have. Guys, by the way, do you like my new avatar? Last time
It looks so weird.
Yeah, I have catnap.
Cat.
Yeah. There was another one called Dog Days. Probably gonna wear it in another video.
Not good.
Dog Day. What is going on? Whoa. Ah, what's going on? Oh my days. Fight. I got him. I just got him. Okay, need to get to a high ground. Okay, by the way, guys, I'm the best at it. Yeah.
Oh my god,
I
can't see anything. The blur.
Speaking of the devil, I just said I'm the best at this. Now I'm just, what's going on? Okay, let's see. Ooh, it was gonna win. Oh my god, I'm gonna make a shout out. Okay, let's go. Press that. I had it. Oh, I pressed it. Wait, huh? What was going on? I didn't get tap. Oh, everybody literally died. Everybody died. Just everybody. Just like everybody. Okay, let's see. Why is that person standing on the thing? Excuse me. Where? Aww, that's cute. Bruh. Hold on. Guys. What is on top? Oh my days. What is on top? Heaven's on top. Yikes. Yoink. Oh, fall down. I shouldn't try and... Oh man. Dang it, see what's on top. Don't fall off the building. Well, how are we meant to fall off the building? Oh. What? Is that just air? Oh no. What's going on? Bruh. No. Now I'm going that way. Oh my days. Oh my days. I can't believe I'm remaining. No. Oh man. I got finished off. Oh, okay. Guys, I just got. Grab the most amount of candy. There we go. She stole it from me. Why?
Can't steal it from her.
No, I can't steal it. Well, I'll... Yo, give me that. Give me that chocolate. I have the dog. The amount of stuff I'm finding. It's crazy.
Ice cream.
They don't find anything. Okay. Yummy. I circled the whole map. I couldn't find anything. Yeah. How many candies? Is that just... Oh. I thought that was sprinkles. Wait, no, that was sprinkles. I thought that was like... Manji was...
Just
9 points.
Candy. Just get candy.
9 points. I got like 2. That's it.
2.
Yeah, I got 2. Okay, I pressed that. Ouch! Sky, stay clear from the moving platforms. Oh no. Oh no.